Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will cover the topic for memory in LangChain, and we will do an experiment for it. And the other topics we have covered already in this series are these ones: agents, chain, prompt templating, and a lot more. So what I have done is I have created a LLM with the chat model of OpenAI GPT, and now I will do a prediction with it or give it a prompt. So LLM got predict, and I will say I am opening a restaurant named Dell Foods, right? Please recommend me 10 menu items for fast food. So this is my prompt, and obviously I will run it and it will give me the 10 menu items. Let's run it first. Yeah, it is being executed. Okay, so congratulations on opening the restaurant, and 10 menu items are this one: classic cheeseburger and uh, other lot of delicious stuff. Okay, now what I will do is ask this LLM that what is the Dell Foods? What is Dell Foods? So I want to know if this LLM has some kind of memory in it, right? But so there is no known company as Dell Foods because this LLM has no memory integrated with that. So we will now integrate a memory, attach a memory to this LLM so that it can remember all the conversation we are doing with it, right? So I will create a memory markdown, and here we start. Okay. First of all, what we have to do is use a conversation chain, and actually I have already made the template for that in the temp one. Okay, so if we use that, I will remove all of these, and the memory will be conversation buffer memory. There is many type of this memory you can attach to your LLM, and this can vary to use cases. If you have a lot of conversation being going on, please take a look on that because it can really cost you a lot if you use uh, inefficient type of memory for your use case. For small ones, you can use conversation buffer memory. And I will create a memory object now. This one. Yeah. Okay. So memory is this, and I will attach this memory into my LLM chain. And let me toggle the word wrap. Okay. So I'm starting a restaurant, please. So I will copy this one, which I have just written, so that you can take a look at comparison of attaching a memory and not attaching a memory with the LLM. Okay. So conversation dot predict. Conversation is my chain which has memory, and I am predicting something. Okay. Let's run this. Human has said that this prompt AI is responding to that. Okay, that's great to hear, congratulations, yeah, Dell food, and these are the crispy chicken sandwich and a lot of, okay, 10 items I got. But now I will ask this chain or this LLM that what is Dell food. Input is what is Dell foods. Now it should remember that Dell food is my company or my restaurant name. Let's see that. Okay, Dell food is the name of restaurant you mentioned earlier. Okay, so now we know that it is remembering this stuff we are saying to it, so it is not starting from very base level 0 uh, on giving it a new prompt. So now it remember this one, it remember this one, and we can start the conversation now, right, with the memory. So this is it for the memory stuff. The next topic will be output parser, how we can get the output in a right manner. Then there will be function calling, then there will be uh, vector bases, and a lot of other stuff is coming. I hope you like the video. You can always refer to the this form if you are working on any custom project, and you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail to discuss about that. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.